Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the 16th day of October, 2025. Great to be with you again. A massively volatile day today, and there's a way to trade the massively volatile days very safely, and we're going to show you how to do it right now. There's more to this setup than what I'm going to show you. Maybe I'll mention it later, but we're going to do our famous strong candle indicator. The market's made a massive move down. We could have taken any of these strong candles on the way down and done just fine. But we're trying to get into these trades with the least amount of risk possible and so we can trade responsibly. And we're going to show you how to do that right now on this one. The market's come down. This is called a second tier reversal. We'll teach you all about that if you come over to Samurai Day Trading. But for right now, we're just going to do a strong candle indicator trade. We're going to let this push down close to the S1. And then we're going to pop in on the body of this candle. We're going to use the retrace for our stop. Now, we don't really like to do that very often, but it's the only way that we can get into these trades with, you don't want to take a trade with 200 ticks worth of risk per contract. That's $1,000 per contract worth of risk. We don't really want to do that. So we'll shorten it up. We'll wait for the retrace. We'll look for the push retrace off the S1 on our strong candle, and we'll take it long. Now, if you look at the PVI, I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 200 and 250 ticks long. That's massive, massive candles here. But that's what the market's calling for. So we're going to match our ATM to that. And we're going to go for a 40 tick first target and de-risk the trade after 40 ticks. Then we're going to have runners to 100 and 200 ticks. Pretty big trade here. So this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others in the room live. So here's how it is, and here's how it all went down. If I can do it quickly enough on live market replay. Here we go. Now I want this to push down more to the S1 first because I don't want to get double retraced here. So let's let this push down. Now this is the same speed as the actual market. So quite a battle going on at this particular point. That's not a big enough of a push down. I need this to get closer to the S1. That's close enough, I guess. Beautiful. And now we'll just sit underneath the brick wall here. So instead of technically our stop should be all the way down here. Okay. Now I'll speed this up a little bit just to show you what happened. But that's too much risk. So we'll just sit behind the brick wall. And we'll have about 50 to 60 ticks worth of risk rather than 200 ticks of risk. Now look what happens when our first target gets taken out. Boom. Now stop is where it should be. I'm in a break-even position. And now I'm going for a 100 tick target, which is at the shadow MDI here. Didn't quite get take on the first try. Now, if this market comes back and takes me out at a break even right now, our first target was 40 ticks, so our stop's sitting at minus 38. And here we go. Right on that. All right, so we have 40s out, we have 100s out, and there's our 200 tick target just that fast. That trade took less than 4 minutes to complete and was worth $1,920 just that quick because the market was going and with much little risk. So if you want to learn how to make $1,920 in 4 minutes, come and join us at Samurai Day Trading in the live trading room. That's samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you next time.